Aditi. Um, I'm a graduate. I'm a computer science graduate. I have about 3 years of work experience in full stack development, and yeah, I thought of coming to this workshop, hoping that I could learn things and explore more in this domain.
I'm Ragini, I'm an architect and I have been practicing for a decade. And yeah, right now I'm planning to do my master's in industrial design.
Yeah, the module is great. I mean, there are so many new things that I've learned so far. It's very like it's very industry relevant, I feel, and yeah, I think it could be very helpful to me and to people.
So the first module is Industry 4.0 and this is something that I have never learned. So it is brilliant because it gives you an overview of a lot of things as the industry is working currently. Like I didn't even know it is Industry 4.0 and it just gave me like a broad perspective of how everything works in the real world and what is the latest technology.
Yeah, I mean, I think the first thing itself, like the Industry 4.0 process itself, like I did not know that something like this was there, and like because it has already been implemented in so many like in the industry already, it's like it's kind of very interesting and like yeah, it's very interesting.
So the thing is, I come from an architecture background, and here I was trying to bridge the gap, right, to study my industrial design program. And Industry 4.0 kind of gave me an overview of what the reality is outside and how the technology has progressed. And I feel like I have been updated with the things which is happening, and also to see how real life is, like how industries in India, where they're at, which level they are at, what is needed to upgrade them to a next level.
Yeah, definitely. Like I think because of the hands-on projects and also like the integration of AI, like they're promoting a lot of AI. They're kind of making you use AI as well in your projects. So apart from that, yeah, like you learn so many things. So definitely it bridges the gap between the classroom and the industry because you're making hands-on projects and it really makes you more involved in the matter.
Yeah, it has, because it's not just I'm learning theory about it. There are activities which are planned within the module itself, like building a smart irrigation system where you are doing the prototyping, you are looking at the data. Then you also have a smart factory setup in the campus itself. So you actually see the robots, you actually see how the technology has been implemented, and it's a very hands-on experience. So you're not just lost in theory, but you actually see the practical experience as well. And in the end, you also get to build a capstone project just to see if whatever you have learned, you can implement that as well or not. So yeah, it is very helpful.
So I'm still working on the capstone project. Like we are still in discussion about it. Um, and my favorite part of the project would be the digital twins. I like that. It's very interesting.
Because it's a completely new subject, I was very excited to learn. And every single day, I just got to learn more and more new things. And at the end of it, I just don't feel like an architect, but I also feel a little bit like an engineer as well. So it's nice to have that new experience and new learning. So I think that is what I like.
And do you think anybody from any background can come and attend this module, like the entire ECs, and be able to grasp the subject knowledge?
Definitely, because I do believe it's very beginner friendly. It does not matter what background you're coming from. Like for me, example, I had no knowledge about tech and all of that, right? But I could easily follow what is happening because they bring the basic elemental theories and they build you from there. So it's not like there is any gap in the knowledge that you have. It completely gives you like it's an entire package by itself. So any module you pick, I think you will be able to follow very easily. And anybody is interested in any of these topics can come and learn something new. I think for sure it's designed very well.
And are you excited for the design thinking methodology workshop?
Yes, I am. I want to see what are the frameworks that is there and how I can apply that into different fields. So So I am excited.